In this video, we are going to show you how to create an organization in Zendesk. Once you log into your Zendesk account, you're going to have your default organization. Of course, that's going to be where you're at. And once you're in your dashboard, look towards the left-hand side. You have menu here, your main. It's going to be the get started where you're going to be at your homepage practically, right? You're going to have your views, customers, and at the very bottom, organization. So we want to click on organizations over here. And once you are in the organizations tab or screen, look towards your right hand side and you're going to see a blue button that says add organization. So before we do that, you're going to see here all the organizations that are existing in your specific Zendesk account, right? So we have our main one over here. If you want to add a new one, click on the blue tab again on the right hand side like so. This pop-up will appear. All you need to do is enter the name of your organization here and then the domain. So enter domain separated by space. For example, ACME or acme.com, ajax.com, emails from those domains will be added to the organization. So all you need to do is do that and click add and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.